girlie has a phone now. Your girlie, yo guys, I have a phone.
You are my friend, love of my life. I can depend, love of my life. Without you, baby, feels like a sample true love. Yeah, when she declared.
Baby girl, what's your name? I'm an iPhone user. Oh, oh, ooh, ooh, la 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 la. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, 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 eh, ooh, 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 hey, ooh, hey, ooh, ooh. Your girlie purchased the phone. Your girlie has a phone now. Your girlie, yo guys, I have a phone. Guys, I have an iPhone. I feel like crying. I don't know why. I didn't think I'd cry because I was saying a lot of things. But your girlie has a phone. 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 Okay, so yesterday I got a delivery from Take a Lot. I bought a cover and screen protector from Take a Lot because I don't have money for I don't have what if it's a rock in here? I don't have money for Take a Lot screen protection and stuff. Ooh, la, 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 la. Your girlie has AirPods or however they pronounce. Your girlie has them. Hey, y'all sing boy Nepal. Your girlie has AirPods. Your girlie. Ooh, guys, I have a phone. Oh, I'd like to say thank you to my mama, my papa. I'm gonna say thank you to my nephew, my sisters, my man. Thank you to my man. Hey, guys, thank you. Yeah, no, I have a phone. Yeah, guys. This is a gateway to getting an iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is where we start, okay? Building blocks. I started by buying a phone cover. Ngalandela nge-phone screen. Ngathi my AirPods. Manje sengine-iPhone. Manje ngiyothenga i-petrol. Ngiyabona ukuthi le pattern. I-pattern, yebo? Qala nge-petrol. Yebo? Yeah, qala nge-petrol uvele nje ube ne-habit yokuzidlulisa emagaraji, udlule just ngathi uyothela ipetrol but udlule ngenyawo, ungene nje kuma-car wash uvesana uhlale nje ngathi kukhona into oyilindile just to prepare yourself for lezi zinto ezibig ezizayo. Ooh, it feels so heavy. But anyways, guys, I am so excited. I'm just gonna open it up for y'all. Yeah. can see, guys, this is the phone. Yeah, man, I don't know, I'm excited. I wasn't excited until now. I already have my fingerprints on it, but yeah, now I am excited. Only now, like, it's sinking in, yeah, bro. But yeah, ooh, Lord. But anyways, yeah, and then I need to, I don't know, something, the insurance thing, I need to activate that. I don't know how, yeah, I can't remember, but yeah, it was in the email that I got at some point. So I'm just gonna activate the insurance thing, and then I'm gonna put it in the cover. The cover, I don't really like the cover that I got, but yeah, I'm just gonna do everything else off camera, and then yeah, I'm just gonna put the. So I received these yesterday. So this is the screen protector and the cover, the phone cover that I got. Guys, I also didn't want a black phone. Like, I don't want a black phone. Like, I would have liked the pink one or the starlight one. I'm go see guys. Satan, guys. These are in a form of a non-iPhone user. Yeah. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, like, I didn't want a black phone because I feel like, what do you do with a black phone? Like, it's so, I don't know, like, I wanted a fun color. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna wipe this. I also have a wiping thing. Like, I'm just gonna prepare my phone. Ngaze ngamosha. But I guys. So this is the phone. It's doing insetelento ne. There's ish. Here, next time I do this. See, there's this thing, and on the sides as well. I don't know what I did wrong, but yeah, so on the sides as well it has that. This is the phone cover. It's alright. So yeah, moment of truth, I already put the SIM card in. Where do you even switch this thing? Bruh. I honestly don't know where you switch it on, and woo, okay, it's on. Hello. Okay.
Listen up. Apparently there's ways to tell if it's you or not.
How?
Just check your YouTube page.
I'm not gonna remember all these things though. I'm not videoizing everything. This thing is long. It greets you in a lot of languages. So, oh, okay, it seems like it's done. I don't know, the screen is now dark. Okay, swipe up to open. Oh, and glass, South Africa. I don't even know my, what's this? Yeah, I'm just gonna do the rest of the settings, guys. I will see you when I see you. Ay, ga, ay. You have reached the end of this video. Please remember to subscribe, comment, share, and click on that notification bell so you are reminded next time the girlie drops. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. See you next week. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you.
I know it's you, yeah, you know I got